Alright, we're about to get a flash flood warning.
Public forecasts for northwestern New Jersey, extreme northeastern Pennsylvania, and a portion of southeastern New York, as well as hourly weather observations for the region, continuously, 24 hours a day. Specific area messaging coder, or SAME, tones will be sent for short-fused warnings affecting the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hunterdon, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren. Northeastern Hunterdon County, southwestern Morris County, north-central Somerset County, until 1 p.m. At 10 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain from thunderstorms over north-central Somerset, northeastern Hunterdon, and southwestern Morris counties. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to rural areas of north-central Somerset, northeastern Hunterdon, and southwestern Morris counties. 2 inches or more rain has likely fallen over this area during the past hour and 3 inches over the past 2 hours. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warning area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams should take precautions to protect life and property. Never attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or in an automobile. Turn around, don't drown. At 9 a.m., at Sussex Airport, it was cloudy. The temperature was 70 degrees, 2.68 degrees, and the relative humidity.
Okay. Now, quote 35 here is down, but it will be turned on and will be activated for this. Another for a fact. Let's see what happens here.